All right, hey, I'm Justin with Gingrich Tactical Innovations. Been in business now for, I don't know, since 2011. My first company was Ranger Knives, so a lot of you guys know me from that. I sold that to Ontario Knife Company in 2008. I've been doing this ever since. I designed for 7 or 8 other companies in the industry right now, so I still do my full line of custom stuff. And some of you have seen it, but the new Delta lock came out 2 years ago. And we did this to address a problem that all folders on the market currently have, at least in my opinion. One is it's a single point of engagement on the lock, so it's a single point of failure. 2 is the amount of lock face surface that you actually have, so it creates a failure point. So to do that, or to fix that, what we did on the Delta lock was, I don't know if you can see it, on the back you've got 2 flats, 2 angles. That's my entire lock face surface, so I have 1 5/8 inches worth of lock face. When I open it up, now I have 4 points of engagement on the back of my blade, 4 points of engagement in my lock, and 4 points of engagement in my handle. Everybody says it on theirs, but it effectively turns it into a fixed blade. It can't go anywhere. It can't move up, can't move down, so it can no longer move. We also have 4 points of engagement, so instead of that single point of failure, now I have to have just about everything back from my pivot pin shear off to have a failure in this blade. Even if I lose 2 surfaces, I still have 2 more. They're going to stop this blade from moving. It is a dual purpose lock. When it's in the closed position, it protrudes on purpose to double as my glass breaker. And that's basically it on this. So it is stainless steel blade.
Carry that lock?
Everything here, all these folders carry this. I am doing, I've gotten a lot of feedback on it from the last couple of years. People think it's a little bit too big to carry every day. So I am working on some slimmer versions. It will still have the Delta lock in it. It is scalable, so it will move to a couple of other locks or in other folders.
Okay. So some other items that we have.
Other items are, strictly custom built. I can build just about anything, and I have built anything. Anything from the old French tip style stuff, mind you, old straight razors, all the way to the more modern Bowie styles. This one is actually going to be coming out with White River here. I'm not sure, maybe next year. It's a camp bush chef's knife, if that makes sense.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
And I'm a chef knife person, so I see it instantly.
Yep, it is.
I can't tell from the coating, but does it also have a hollow ground like a straight razor?
It is. This one, because they're made in D2, is a little bit thinner. It's hard to actually see the hollow in these.
Absolutely, but when you said straight razor, it made me think of the hollow ground.
Yep. I do a lot of hollow grinding. It's just the way I learned to grind, and I think it's prettier than just a straight flat grind. I do the flat grinding, but I don't think it has the same character as a hollow ground blade. So it just depends on what I'm making as to what kind of grind I put on it.
All right, so where are you located, and how do people get your product? Is it just directly from you or from other sites?
So Smoky Mountain Knife Works carries my stuff. Knife Center of the Internet carries my stuff. Blade HQ carries the folders. A couple other smaller dealers out there that have it. They can contact me directly on the website, Gingrich Tactical. Gingrich Tactical on Instagram and Facebook. Email, call me. Doesn't matter. They can get to me.
We're going to have links to all your products on the description of the YouTube channel. We hope to have this up by tomorrow. So we appreciate you.
Perfect.
Check you out on Instagram. This is definitely not a dull moment. Thanks so much. Have a great show.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Bye.